I'm out here in the afternoon looking for axis bucks. I'm really trying to get a nice 30-inch one, and this is supposed to be a good spot. So we came out early, setting up, waiting for him to come out. We'll see what happens. Yeah, just put the hammer on a really nice tall axis buck. Got in here early this afternoon, just hoping something would come out, and sure enough, he came down the trail and was feeding a little bit toward me, and I waited and then just zapped him right through the boiler room with a Bishop Holy Trinity 3-blade, one of those new heads on the market, and it just zipped right through. Saw the blood pouring out. He jumped over a fence, and we're going to give him a little bit of time. I thought I heard him crash, but we'll see what happens.